Cheese cravings? No problem. Hi and welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Eva. I went raw vegan in summer 2003 and never looked back. Today we're going to prepare a delicious raw vegan recipe with macadamia cheese. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here's the macadamia cheese. Look at this. Looks very creamy to me. So now comes the epic moment of me trying some raw vegan bread and cheese, which is simply zucchini with macadamia cheese. Delicious, nutritious, easy to make, and beautiful to look at. I'm looking forward to having my dinner. Oh my goodness. Let's have some more cheese, baby. Are you ready? It's very creamy, very delicious. I love it. Best things are simple in life. We always think that a raw vegan lifestyle is hard to maintain. It's got something to do with deprivation, starvation, sickness. It's exactly the opposite. This is so delicious. So it's basically just macadamia nuts, half a lemon, a little bit of leek. That's it. And it tastes delicious. I love it. I wonder what it would look like if I add some arugula to it. It would be green cheese. How about that? I just added 3 handfuls of arugula to my macadamia cheese and look what happened. It's so delicious now. I added a tiny little bit of lemon to it as well, on top of the one that I had inside. I already had half a lemon inside, and I added a tiny little bit of leek as well, and 3 handfuls of arugula, and it tastes amazingly delicious. So I highly recommend this version. Give it a try and let me know how it turned out. In case you've been wondering what I added to my salad, it was purple carrots. They're really delicious. So then my salad now, I'm going to put some macadamia cheese on top of it and enjoy. If you like this recipe, then remember to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with everyone who is interested in feeling happy with no reason. Delicious purple carrots. And I'll see you again in the next video. Take care. Mwah.